Hello. Good day. For today's video we will discuss the Modified Tax Compliance Verification Drive or MTCVD and its processes and their corresponding violations. Modified Tax Compliance Verification Drive is a program developed by BIR to improve the overall collections of taxes, through tax mapping in terms of actual visitation of taxpayers' establishment and its branches. It is also a means to deter individuals and non-individuals in violating the BIR business rules and regulations, thereby enhancing tax compliance. In the preparation stage, the Regional Director and the Chief of the Revenue District Office will identify all group supervisors and revenue officers, who will participate in the conduct of visitation within the specific area in the Revenue District Office as contained in a mission order. Next is the actual TCVD or tax mapping activity. The revenue officers will visit and inspect the establishments whether they are compliant with the BIR rules and regulations, and the subsequent imposition of penalties if failure to do so. A taxpayer should look for the mission order and ID of the personnel for verification. In post-TCVD, the officer in charge will receive reports on the results of tax mapping operations together with TIS and apprehension slips from the tax mapping teams who conducted the operation. The officer in charge will issue a second opportunity notice to non-compliant taxpayers. It is important to note that the TIS and violation checklist you receive serves as the first opportunity notice. Lastly, if the taxpayer failed to comply with the last opportunity notice, the officer in charge will forward his/her dockets to the legal division for appropriate criminal action. And these are the list of violations for your reference. How to pay the MTCVD violations. Bring your TIS and violation checklist, accomplish the Form 0613, and pay the penalty to the revenue collection officers or to the nearest authorized agent banks. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe on our social media accounts.